Let's talk about some important and especially true claiming of airdrop, but also some important updates. So, with that said, first thing first, I want to talk about my strategy right now with the airdrop space being a little bit quiet when it comes to providing liquidity or go putting funds to work like Ethereum or stablecoin. My go-to is Stargate. So I still want to interact with Stargate because they still need to have another airdrop. Like layerzero is gonna have another airdrop soon. They didn't finish the allocation for the community, so I still want to participate. And that's why I put my tokens, both Ethereum and USDC, as we see over here, over on Stargate to farm me some 8 to 10% APY. So that's the first thing in case you want to do it. I have struggled to find places where I could put my money, but Stargate, in my opinion, is either the most secure and as well it goes very, very well with future rewards and airdrop. We got the Solayer vested airdrop allocation is ready to go and claim. Super easy. We've done the claiming already in the past. You go to the website down here, you connect your wallet over on the Phantom wallet. This is a Solana wallet. Confirm, you click everything that you need to go. And as we see here, I have the possibility to claim 0.26. You could have more. Claim Layer. Layer will go directly to your Phantom wallet. Super simple, super easy. And that is it. Not much to say, not much to do. It's still tradable. It's already tradable. You can already sell it. As we see here, it is on the Phantom wallet. You can go and sell it anytime you want. So go and do that. Very, very nice things. As we see here, I am in profit of $1,900 and there will be a giveaway over on Twitter after this video. So make sure to go and jump over there. But why am I doing this? Well, as we see here, I'm trading with $100,000 in the account. And let me go and close it and showcase you how to do it. Now, this, I don't have $100,000. But if you go over here to breakout, the link will be down below and make sure to sign up and purchase one of the account with the code that you see in the video. Now, as we see here, with only $999, you can trade for $100,000. You buy a $100,000 account with 900, you buy a $50,000 account with 500. And well, we've been claiming airdrop, we claim Caldera, we claim Eclipse, we've been working on the airdrops. Those money that you make from the airdrops, put them here, because like this is incredible. If you make 10% profit, if you are a trader which make 5 to 10% profit, 10% of 100,000 is $10,000 profit. If you want to go and use those $1,000 to trade on your own, 10% is only $100. Same goes for 50k, 10% is 5k profit per trade. And if you trade only $500, 10% is $50. So you see where it goes. So I will leave the link down below. It is very simple. You decide to go and purchase any amount, account size that you want, as we see over here, and then you have the possibility to trade right here, which is what I am doing. I got the Ethereum, the link, and the Bitcoin. So what I'm gonna do actually with you, I will go and open a 20 Ethereum position right here because I do think it's gonna go up for $15,000. And as we said, as we see here, this is a $15,000 opening position on a $100,000 account. So the profit, if this goes up, are gonna be way, way more than if I did a trade with only $1,000 instead of buying this one. So the link will be down below. Come and trade with me, come and join here. This is the best prop firm. It's a prop firm for crypto, which is the first one to have ebooks as well. So definitely something that you don't wanna miss out. And come and trade with me. I will leave you the link down below. But I got you. I got you. If you do not have $100, $200, $500, I understand you. So I did partner up also with Coinflare, and yes, I do trade on both breakout. I still trade over on Zubex. Beautiful exchange. I did partner up for Coinflare. Why? Because as we see here, they give you a 500, they give you a 100 USDT bonus when you make your first deposit of $50 or more. $50 is more of a possibility to go and trade with $50 than with 1,000 or buying an account for 500. So I partnered with them. Link down below. Make sure to go and sign up. You then have the activation codes. Achieve a future trading volume of X amount to receive more bonus. But if you go and deposit $50, which we made from airdrops, because we did from Caldera, Eclipse, we had all the other Zora in the past and all of that, $50 you get 100 USDT future bonus to go and open trade and get your trade. So this, I got you on both sides. But if you want to spend a bit of money and trade with a lot of money, which makes a lot of money, both if you want to go and just start with $50 or simply do both. $50 here on Coinflare, $50 here on Breakout, and you got the best of both worlds. You get $100 for free to go and trade and jump in. So very, very important. Go and do that. Next up, talking about the airdrop allocation. Next up, we do have the TA airdrop checker is live. The Trusta TA airdrop checker is live. Go to the link down below. And as we see here, If you did connect it, which we did talk about in a previous video, if you did watch it, congratulations. If you didn't watch it, you missed the opportunity to go and connect your wallet. But as we see here, if you are eligible, you can go and check your eligibility, and the claiming starts today at 9 UTC time. So if you are eligible, make sure to check your eligibility and also total TA airdrop allocation. Let me know your total allocation down below and make sure to go and grab them. Make sure to go and get some money. Next up, we have the Wormhole rewards for staking rewards program. It's now live. Period 2 are currently available to go and claim. So the link will be down below. Over here on the Wormhole website, as you see here, this is the original Wormhole page. Click on the dashboard, connect your wallet, go and connect your Phantom wallet right here on the Solana EVM. And if you are eligible, you currently own something, then you will be eligible for the airdrop allocation. So with that said, super simple. We got the Wormhole airdrop to go and claim. We got the Trusta airdrop to go and check and claim as well as of right now when you're looking at this video. We also have the possibility for the Stargate mission, but as well, make sure to go and grab yourself a prop firm account. Is the best thing you can do. And then also, if you want some bonus token, I did partner with Coinflare, as I said, so make sure to go and join them. But with that said, thank you very much for watching. Not a super long video. Didn't want to bother you with anything. There were a few important updates to talk about. And with that said, I'll see you all tomorrow. Ciao, guys.